how to add and manage comments in Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily add and manage your comments on Google Docs. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then open up your Google Docs document. Now, you can add a comment by just selecting the word or the sentence where you want to add it, and once you select it you can see something pop up on the right hand side. So this plus icon is to add comment. Tap on it. So write in the comment. You can even mention the user whom you want to address it to, and then you can you can write anything that you want on the comment and hit post comment. Now, uh, this comment can be replied by just tapping on it. Other person has replied this, and then changed whatever comment that you put in. If they have already addressed it, then to resolve it you can just tap on the tick option. So once it is marked as resolved, this will hide the discussion. So in this way you can manage the comments as well. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.